Kanching Waterfall. Today we are taking a little break from the city hustle and heading out to experience some natural beauty. We are at Kanching Waterfalls. This spot is known for its stunning cascades, lush greeneries, and serene vibes. It's perfect for a weekend escape. Kanching Waterfalls is one of the Malaysia hidden gems, just an hour drive from Kuala Lumpur. My bro and I started a hike on Saturday morning. It was about 10 to 15 minutes to get to the waterfalls. The trails here are perfect for a short hike. Whether you're here to swim, picnic, or just relax, it's an ideal place to connect with nature. Yeah guys, we're here at Kanching Waterfall in Rawang. Come with me. We found a nice spot to settle in, close to the waterfall, where we could hear the water crashing down. We brought along a grill for a little barbecue. What are you want? Okay. There is just something about cooking outdoors in nature that makes the food taste even better. With the waterfall sounds as our background music, we grilled some barbecue and enjoyed cold drinks, a perfect way to relax for the weekend. We actually met a few new friends who came in a group. We all ended up chilling by the falls. After a few hours of soaking in the waterfalls, now it's time to hit the road. This spot is truly an incredible escape into nature. If you're looking for a quick refreshing break from the city, I do highly recommend this place. Thanks for joining us on this little adventure. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more outdoor trips.